friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So ever felt lost in your code, like searching for a file in a messy desktop? That's where Java packages come in, your personal organizers for clean, modular and maintainable code. In Java, a package is like a folder that neatly groups related classes and interfaces together. Whether you are building a tiny app or a massive project, packages help you avoid name conflicts, control access and keep everything structured, just like organizing tools in a toolbox. Imagine separating your UI code, logic and utilities all with just a few lines of code. That's the power of packages in Java. From using built-in packages like Java util to creating your own custom ones, mastering packages means writing Java like a pro, clean, scalable and easy to navigate. Let's unpack the concept of Java packages and level up your project organization game. So I hope you will be enjoying this amazing video in which we will be learning about packages in Java. So if you understand this video and if you learn things from this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like this, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my videos which I will be uploading in future. So now what we are waiting for? Let's move to computer screen and let's dive into it. Alright, so we are on the computer screen, and like I've told you in the start that today in this video I will be telling you that what are packages in Java and how we can start with this term packages when we are working with Java. So if we talk about packages, with packages we also talk about APIs when we are working with Java. As you know, there are many APIs which we use, like there are APIs in Python as well which we use with Java, but we will be understanding that what are the basic packages and APIs which we use in Java, or how we can download these packages and APIs when we are working with Java. So a package in Java is used to group related classes here, and think of it as a folder in a file directory. We use packages to avoid name conflicts and to write a better maintainable code. Packages are divided into two categories. First category is built-in packages, packages from the Java API. Second is user-defined packages, create your own packages. Create your own packages means like downloading or installing your own packages from npm or using some other command when we are working with Java here. So what are built-in packages in Java? We need to understand that the Java API is a library of pre-written classes that are free to use, included in the Java development environment. The library contains components for managing input, database programming and much more. The complete list can be found at Oracle's website. So if you want to just find the complete list of database programming, managing input and much more, so you can just find it on Oracle's website. This is the link here. And the library is divided into packages and classes, meaning you can either import a single class along with its method and attributes, or a whole package that contains all the classes that belong to the specified package. And to use a class or package from the library, you need to use the import keyword. And how we can use import keyword, as you know, like when we were working with Java and when we need to import any package here, so we need to use this import keyword, which means that you are importing a package from the library in Java. So this is the thing, or you can say this is a syntax to import a single class, and this is the syntax to import the whole package here. How you can import a class? If you find a class you want to use, for example the scanner class, which is used to get user input, so you need to write the following code. So this is an example that in this example the user is telling you that if you want to use a scanner class in Java which is used to get user input, how you can use it, how to write its code. So this is the example. You need to first of all write this import keyword. After that you need to write java.util.scanner, which is the class name which is used to get user input. After that, in the example above, Java util is a package while scanner is a class of the Java util package. Remember, when you are importing any package, when you are importing any library, so for that you need to write package name and class name correct. As we are importing scanner class, so the class of scanner is a package of Java util. That's why I'm writing java.util, and from that package I want a class of scanner, and after that I'm again writing .scanner, because from Java util I want this class should be imported so that I can use to get user input using this scanner class. And to use the scanner class, create an object of the class and use any of available methods found in the scanner class documentation. In our example we will use the next line method, which is used to read a complete line. In this example we will be using next line line method which is used to read a complete len when we are working with scanner class documentation here. So now I will be opening my NetBeans IDE, because now we need to understand with example that how we can use this scanner class when we are just using this libraries and packages in Java. So you can just see our main.java file is been opened here, and I will prefer you to use this NetBeans IDE if you are a beginner starting with Java, because I think this is the best IDE for beginners if they are working with Java from start, or if they want to learn Java from start. So you can use some other IDEs as well, like VS Code, Eclipse or Android Studio, but only if you are an intermediate or advanced level Java programmer. But if you are a beginner starting with Java, so this is the best IDE which you can use. So I will be removing all the things from this IDE here, because we have understand that how we can just use encapsulation in Java, or how to apply this thing encapsulation when we are working with Java. Now we need to understand how we can use different packages and APIs in Java. So this is the first class which we are importing here in Java, which is a scanner, and how we can import it using this import keyword and this package name and the class name here. This is the way how you can just import a package and how you can use that class package here when you are working with Java. So you can just see we have imported this package name with this class name here, so that we can use this class to get user input here. Moving down, we need to just use the codes as well, so that we can use this scanner class here. Moving down, we need to understand how we can use it here. So I will be moving on to my Word document again, and this is the way how you can use this scanner class to get user input here. So I will be copying this example here. After doing it, I will be now pasting it here. After pasting it, we need to just run this thing. For running, I will be pressing right click on my main.java file. I will be pressing run file. After running, you can just see we are getting here one text which is saying me enter username. So you can write any username here, like I'm writing my name, full my name. Then I am entering it, so you can just see it is saying me that your username is inshalbaig, because I have written that name here when it was asking me to add your username. So it is saying me that enter your username, and when I have entered my username, so it is showing me a text which is saying username is inshalbaig, because I have written that username here. And that's the way how you can use different classes to get user input. This is the scanner class which is used to get user input. That's the reason I have used this class as an example, but you can do same thing with other classes, with other packages, so that you will be having a good understanding how we can import different packages and how we can use that packages with different classes to get different outputs in our Java. But this scanner is most commonly used package, or you can say most commonly used class when we are working with Java. That's the reason I have shown you the example of this package Java util, and with that how you can use this most commonly used class of a scanner when we are working with normal Java here with classes. Moving on to my Word document, if you want to import a package here, so there are many packages to choose from. In the previous example, we have used the scanner class, and that was from Java util package. This package also contains date and time facilities, random number generator, and other utility classes. To import a whole package and the sentence with an asterisk sign, the following example will import all the classes in the Java util package. So it is saying me that there are many things which you can use, which you can just do with this Java util package, which we have used in previous example with this scanner class. And this package also contains date and time facilities, and like you all know, we create random number generator, we create some other games as well using that number, and all the numbers generating game which we create, we are using the same package of Java util for that. So remember, if you see someone creating a random number generator game or any game related to numbers, so means that he is using that Java util package as we have used in the previous example. And you can just use it with other utility classes as well. And to import a whole package, you need to end the sentence with an asterisk sign. And if you want that, if I'm using a Java util package, and if you want all the classes should be used, or you don't want to write the class name again and again, so you can just use this asterisk sign, from which you can just import all the classes in this Java util package. And how you can do it, you have to write this thing here in your Java file, and from this, by writing this thing, it means you are importing all the classes from this Java util package. And that's the way that how you can use different classes in this Java util package. But remember, you need to write package name and this asterisk sign after that. If you only write the asterisk sign, not writing the package name, so it will not import the class's name here. So remember, you need to add this asterisk sign as well. If you want to use user defined packages, so to create your own packages, you need to understand that Java uses a file system directory to store them, just like folders on your computer. This is the example that how you can create your own package. And For that, you need to understand how Java uses a file system directory to store them. This is an example. First of all, they create root, then they create your pack name. After that, they create your pack class with this .java format. And to create a package, you have to use the package keyword here. And how to use this package keyword? This is the way from which you can create your own package here. Like I'm adding this package keyword, and after that I'm writing my package name as well. In this case, in this example, I'm writing my package name as my pack, and after that I have created a class as well in which I will be importing my package, and I can get the output here of my package which I am printing here. You have to save the file as my package class.java, and you have to compile it with your file which you are in which you are writing this code here. You have to just understand this thing, and after that it will compile the package and you will be getting the output. This forces the compiler to create the mypack package, and the D keyword specifies the destination for where to save the class file. You can use any directory name like C user Windows, or if you want to keep the package within the same directory, you can use the dot sign, and you can also, just like in the example above, you can use some other things as well. And note, the package name should be written in lowercase to avoid conflict with class name. If you want to avoid conflict with class name, you need to just write the package name in lowercase letters, and first letter should not be also uppercase, it should be also lowercase. Means all sentence should be in lowercase letters. When we compiled the package in the example above, a new folder was created called mypack, and to run that mypack class.java, to run that class of Java, for that you need to write this command java mypack.mypackage class, and from that you can run your package which you have which you have written here in your Java file. Then moving down, the output will be like this is my package here when you will be running it. So that's the way how you can create your own package in Java, and how you can compile it with Java file to run that package here in your output. So I hope you understand how we can just use packages and APIs in Java, but this was about packages, in which we have understand how we can import a package, how we can create our own package, how we can just import a class from a package, how we can import whole package with different classes, and that's the way to do these all things with different packages in Java. So if you have understand this video in which I have told you about different packages in Java, but we have understand about Java util package, which is the most commonly used package with a scanner class, which is another example of most commonly used class in Java. So remember to hit a like to this video if you understand this video from start, and if you are new on this channel watching this video for the first time, so you can check out my other videos as well which I have uploaded in Java series, from which you will be having a more good understanding about Java. And if you want to see all my future videos here, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you will be getting all the notifications of all my videos which I will be uploading in future. And remember to share this video as well, so more people can understand that how we can use different packages in Java, how we can import packages, how we can create our packages, and how we can use packages with different classes. So this is the way to do that. And if you want to understand more other things about Java, you can comment me, so I will be coming up with more different videos which you will be asking me from in the comment section. So I will be just meeting you in next tutorial or in next project using Java. So for today, goodbye.